back to my channel. If you've been following some of my videos with Russ and his forest restoration project, then you'll already know some of the historic significance of the American chestnut tree and why he is seeking to plant them on his mountain, as well as encourage folks to take an interest in getting this tree restored to our forests. He sent me a link for public comments on the deregulation of the Darlington 58, and below this video there will be a link that you can take a look at. There's a short YouTube video within that link, as well as the opportunity to leave a public comment, pro or con, based on your feelings about introducing a genetically modified tree into the landscape. They've been doing a great deal of work to ensure that this tree will be safe to all life forms that are out there in the forest. The link is good to comment on through December 27th, 2022. So I know it's a busy holiday time. Hope you'll take a moment to have a look at the link. And thank you again for following the videos with me and Russ and the reforestation project, as well as restoring the American chestnut tree to our forests here. See you in the next video. Till then.
And I'm including this t-shirt because the Blue Jays were one of the primary distributors of chestnut trees, seeds or nuts, totally unauthorized, but that's how the trees moved and expanded their territory.